I'm not the guy. I'm not the guy.
It's not a game. You're there to laugh and pick up your stuff and leave right now.
Jeremy,
Shut up, bro. Don't touch me, bro. I didn't say that. Let me go.
hang on. Easy.
Put your hand behind his back.
Get him off me.
You're done.
Right now. Get him off me. Tell him let me go.
Let's walk.
Tell him let me go. Tell him let me go. Let me go. Get the fuck off me, bro. You're a bitch ass nigga, bro.
At a U.S. airport, Frontier Airlines gate, a man named Jeremy consumed nearly an entire bottle of alcohol just 30 minutes before his scheduled flight home to Seattle after a failed football tournament. Jeremy was seen stumbling through the terminal, barely able to stay upright, and yelling at fellow passengers. Multiple travelers and airline staff took notice before the situation escalated any further. Airport staff reported Jeremy had been disrupting the gate area for approximately 25 minutes. One employee described him pointing his finger directly into a supervisor's face before airline police were called.
You're not gonna talk to me like that. You're not gonna talk to me like that.
Hey, buddy. What's up?
Niggas talking shit.
Who
That's
is?
it.
Okay. Can you come over here and talk to me?
Yeah.
All right.
She knows.
Okay. Come over here.
Come on.
What's your name?
Jeremy, bro. Senior, too.
Are you flying out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, keep up.
Jeremy,
Keep up.
Jeremy,
Keep
I'm
up.
not keeping up, buddy.
I'm not playing, bro.
Come over here.
I'm not playing with nothing. I'm not playing with nothing, bro. I'm not playing with shit,
Jeremy,
bro.
Jeremy, come sit down and talk to me.
Oh, now we're sitting? Or are we sitting?
Yeah,
and
sit right
talk?
here.
Are we gonna sit or are we gonna sit?
I'm
and
not
talk?
going to sit. Come sit down.
If you're not gonna sit, I'm not gonna sit.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you?
No, walk
You
with
have
me
a
to the
bag
plane.
or
Walk with me
anything?
to the plane. I'm supposed to be getting on. Actually, no.
Hang on.
Walk,
What's
walk,
up?
walk.
Tell me what's
I
up.
have to get on this plane.
Okay. We'll figure
I
that
have
out
to
in
get
a
back
minute.
home. I have to get back home
Where are you going?
to Seattle.
Okay. Do you have a boarding pass?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is all your stuff over there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Not playing? No, I'm not. Not playing. Can we walk this way?
In a minute.
These
What's
niggas-
going on?
I'm not the guy. I'm not the guy.
One second, okay, buddy?
His sibling dropped him off.
150 on 10-4.
Came, checked him in with me. Never told me he had any type of ailments, nothing. We were all. I had a passenger come up to me and said he's been doing this for about 25 minutes. And
Jeremy.
I'm so vivid. Bro. He's walking up, so I need
He's here to help me. Just relax. Relax. He's here to help me.
Yeah, help.
Yeah,
so come
so-
help, bro. Come here.
Passenger told me that he's been
Come here. Why are you afraid? Come here. Hang on. I need you to talk to me. Come here.
going at this about 25 minutes, but he just progressed, got louder.
Talk to me.
Family member came with him to check him in. I took care of them downstairs at the ticket counter.
What's going on?
It's a whole bunch of miscommunication type
Yeah?
shit. So, like, the reason why he's here
Yeah.
is because of a whole different incident.
Okay.
And I'm the guy, like, nah, you feel me? Nah, f- that. I'm trying to go.
Where you going?
I have Seattle. I only have one destination.
Okay.
I came out here for a football tournament, didn't go that way, so now I want to go home.
Do you know where his stuff is over here?
No, but he was sitting in this area up here.
Okay. I was talking to him. She just pulled me away. He's just like this. You're denying him boarding.
Yeah,
I don't know yet. All right. I've just been dealing with him over here because somebody got him away from everybody else.
Yeah, one of our maintenance women got him over here.
Okay.
Because he
Go
just
that way. So now,
Hey, I'm gonna go grab his stuff. I think they're gonna deny him. You're denying him, I'm assuming.
Yeah, because we don't want him to act like this on the actual aircraft. We don't want him to hurt any of the passengers.
Okay.
Seattle.
All right. So we're gonna figure it out. He's gonna ask some questions.
Hell no. If I would have, you would know. Bro, trust me. If I hit somebody, I'm dropping them.
About this threat, you're going to shoot the place up. Did you say that?
Check me.
Did you say that, though?
No, check me. When I had my shit, right? You guys would check that shit at Seattle.
Okay.
I come from Seattle.
You're cool. How much you radio? We talking.
No, check me first.
No, I don't need
I'm not gonna sit and then sit for no reason. If you're
wanna
gonna
talk
sit
to you.
and check me, bro. I have nothing.
Turn on.
I'm gonna go talk to Trap.
All the way.
Did he get into it? Did he get into it with anybody here?
Got into altercation with the passengers that were boarding.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
He didn't.
I'm listening.
He didn't touch any of them.
Okay.
So a lot of people got into his
verbal
face, but
back
it was
and forth.
just verbal.
Okay. Is everybody okay here? Everybody's good?
I know they're just pretty annoyed, very annoyed.
He's not getting on
No,
the flight.
he's not getting on this flight. Trust me.
Are you guys gonna try and rebook him, or how do you want us to handle it?
I would really like to figure out, like, medical condition wise.
Yeah,
because
well,
he would
we'll-
have to have somebody be escorted with him from now on. He can fly, just not today.
That's all
Not
your
today.
guys' whatever you guys decide.
We'll allow him to fly. We
Do you
just
have a
to
contact for his family member that dropped him off?
No, but I can go get it.
Could you do that for me? All right.
So
Nothing physical.
Okay, is this a guy?
This is the guy.
Okay. Hey, Trap. So
Nothing physical.
Okay, is this a guy?
This is the guy.
Okay, just screaming, yelling.
Yeah.
Okay.
Progressively got more. There's 9 a.m.
Okay.
He was dropped off by a family member. She's gonna go try and get.
He's been
him back.
drinking, among other things.
No, fuck that. You're not touching me. You're not touching me. I did not do nothing wrong. First off, check the homeboy.
Nothing.
Saw something?
Did you see
He
anything
was
happen?
arguing over there with all the
Okay.
passengers.
Oh, just,
Really loud.
all right,
They
just
had
being
somebody-
disruptive.
Yeah, disruptive.
You didn't see anything physical?
No, nothing
Okay.
physical.
All
But
right.
he was very
Control, we're heading
with the supervisor here. He was putting his finger on the supervisor's face.
No, sorry, it's a
You
little
ever seen
loud.
that? He was like, telling
But
him.
who was pointing? He was?
He was to a supervisor and his face, one of this.
All right. Okay, well,
But he's just mad right there. Crazy.
intoxicated.
Oh, is that what it is?
Maybe a combination.
Okay, so
Okay.
while in line,
No, he's been denied, so we'll
you
be.
hear me? What's going on? Can somebody please say loud and clear? Okay.
You're giving us a hard time, so.
Okay,
You
but.
motherfuckers, this, that. Yeah, he came through with me acting like that, yeah.
All right.
So they say they gave him a hard time at the counters downstairs. So they should have called from downstairs at the ticket counter.
Gotcha.
You know? So
But you didn't see anything physical, just loud, disruptive.
just loud disruptive when he came through as well. I didn't see him touch anybody.
All right. Well, he's been denied boarding, so we'll be getting him out.
Yeah, he needs to be going, yeah.
Nothing. You can check me.
I just did, man.
Nothing.
Right.
So why?
Because they said you were causing a scene, man.
Can you
That's
grab
me.
Can you grab your ID out of there, out of your wallet, out of here for me? Sit down. It's right here.
Standing up, bro.
Sit down, buddy.
I'm a grown ass man.
Jeremy, chill out, buddy. Chill out.
I'm not doing anything.
Okay, I'm asking you to sit down.
And I'm not sitting down. Is that a problem?
It is.
Problem?
It is, yeah.
No.
No,
You're
it
gonna sit here and you're gonna watch me grab my fucking wallet. Oh, right here. What do you want? What do you want? niggas? Take it. Take it.
Jeremy, sit down right now.
I'm not sitting
Sit
down,
down.
bro. No.
Sit down.
I didn't
Sit
do
down.
it.
Sit down.
What did I do, bro?
Sit down.
What did I
You're being
do?
a pain in the ass. Sit
No,
down.
I'm not.
okay? Sit down.
No, I'm not.
Jeremy, sit down right now. Jeremy,
I didn't do anything.
I'm
bro.
trying to help you out.
Listen,
man.
listen.
I'm trying
You
help
listen
out.
to me.
Okay.
I didn't. You listen to me.
Want to hand it?
What did I
Want me to help
do?
you?
What did I do?
Sit down because
You want to end up in hand?
What did I
Want me to
do?
help you?
What did I do?
Sit down.
Control, we're heading
The rest of it is disorderly, man.
over your way. Also, can you attend 9 video? None of us got that.
Prevent you from being in handcuffs.
Am I? It's
Okay.
this one. Can I put it back?
What was the numbers after 3-3?
Good. Like
Okay.
you both were good. Like,
Let's keep it
even
that
though he was mad, he was still cool.
Okay.
I'm not doing nothing, but at the same time, like, what am I doing that makes you guys think that I'm doing something?
Listen, we weren't over here when whatever happened happened. Okay.
It's the same
So
incident
we're
though.
just
It's the
asking
same
you
incident
to
though.
Just chill out.
Yes, sir.
Be cool. Just listen. And
No, you guys are both.
hopefully you'll
You
be
guys
on
are
your
both
way
being
and
fucking.
It'll play out well.
You guys are both being
Okay. Well, thank
straight
you.
up.
Thank you.
And I respect that, and I love that.
Thank you.
I love that. Even though he's big as, I gotta. Bro, look at me. Stop it. Knock it off. Knock it off. Knock it off. I got a just like you. Look at me, bro.
Hey.
Real shit.
No, I'm
like
looking
I'm
at
talking
somebody
to
else right now. I need to look at you. I need you to relax until we figure out what's going on.
What the are you looking at right now? You're looking at nobody, bro. Looking at nobody, bro. What are you talking about? Can you talk to me like a real motherfucker? Like,
Tell me what happened today, then.
no, it's a different subject
There
now
you go,
because
man. That's what I want to talk about.
you, not him. You. Can I say that?
No, I want you to sit down because you're getting aggravated.
I'm not. No, I'm not.
You
no,
are.
I'm not. No, I
Hey,
promise.
listen up. So you've been denied boarding, so now you're trespassing this airport. So you're going to leave this airside right now. If you stay here, you're going to be arrested for trespassing. Do you understand?
So how do I get back home to Washington?
I don't know, but you're going to leave the airside right now.
So how do I get back home to Washington?
Go, Jeremy. Grab your.
Is this your stuff?
Listen, we'll explain that
I
on
don't
the.
want to do anything.
Let's
Can
take
you
a
grab
walk.
me? Can you grab me?
Come on.
No, grab your stuff. Let's go.
I grab my own stuff.
Yep.
We're going to explain to you how to get back to Washington. Come on.
Grab that and this. You're not a ticketed passenger. That's your stuff, right? Is that his stuff?
Hey, this is my shit.
Yep.
Hey, one more, you got it. All right.
One more out. I'm already done, bro. You
All right, let's
wanted
go.
me out.
Listen, we don't want you to go to jail.
What are you
so come
talking
on.
about?
Let's just walk.
Want to go to jail or what?
No, I want to go home.
Grab your bag
You
and
guys
go.
are acting like I did something
Jeremy.
so bad.
Grab your bag and go.
You need
Can I
his
talk
ID.
to somebody
Yes,
fucking
we're
relevant?
going to talk when we walk.
this.
Remember I told you that?
Get your stuff and let's go. We gotta go.
Where's my
It's in
wallet?
your jacket.
What's
You
in
put
your
it back in
jacket?
your jacket pocket.
It's not a game. You're either going to laugh and pick up your stuff and leave right now.
Jeremy.
Shut up, bro. Don't touch me, bro. I did the same thing.
Hang on. Easy.
Put his hand behind his back.
Get him off me. You're done. Right now. Get him off me. I ain't do shit. Why is he on me still? Why are you on me still? Why are you on me still? Why are you on me still?
Keep your face away from
me
us.
still.
I got
Why are
it,
you on me still? Why are you on me still? Why are you on me
Keep
still?
your face away
Get the
from
fuck
us.
off me, bro. Get off me.
I got it. I got it.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Now you're talking. Now you're talking. Now you're talking shit. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. Hey, I want a different officer. I want you. I want you. I want you.
Bobby.
Tell him to let me go. Tell me let him.
Bobby,
Tell him to
truck
let me
court.
go. I want you. I want you. Tell him to let me go.
Let's walk.
Tell him to let me go. Tell him to let me go. Let me go. Get the fuck off me, bro. You're a bitch ass nigga, bro. You.
Officers arrived to cheers from nearby travelers. Under the Fourth Amendment, Terry v. Ohio authorizes a brief investigatory detention based on reasonable articulable suspicion. Jeremy's conduct clearly satisfied that threshold. Officers spoke with airline employees and confirmed Jeremy had been checked in by a family member who disclosed no medical conditions. A passenger independently reported the disruption had been ongoing for over 25 minutes. Officers determined Jeremy would not be permitted to board. Under the Airline Deregulation Act, carriers have broad authority to deny boarding to passengers who appear impaired or pose a safety risk to others on the aircraft. No constitutional violation occurs when a private airline makes this decision. The airline's authority over its own boarding process is preserved by federal law, regardless of whether the passenger holds a valid ticket. Once denied boarding, Jeremy's authorization to remain in the secure airside area was fully revoked. Officers issued a direct trespass warning: leave the airside immediately or face arrest under state criminal trespass law. Jeremy refused to comply and physically resisted the officer's escort attempt. Under Florida Statute Section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence requires only that an individual obstruct an officer in the lawful execution of duty. Jeremy's physical pulling away and repeated non-compliance with commands, even absent any punching or striking, fully satisfies the resisting without violence statute under Florida law. Compliance was required from the first order. Officers used soft, empty hand control throughout, guiding, gripping, directing, with no strikes, no taser, and no OC spray. Under Graham v. Connor, force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene. Jeremy was placed under arrest and charged with disorderly conduct under Florida Statute Section 877.03 and resisting arrest without violence. He was transported to the local jail to face a judge the following morning. On top of the criminal charges, Jeremy received a lifetime ban from Frontier Airlines, an outcome the carrier is fully authorized to impose under its conditions of carriage. He will never board a Frontier flight again.
Excuse us, folks. Excuse us.
You can't be the respectable one. All I want is you.
Excuse us.
Everything will be good. Everything will be good if you will do it.
Attention on the air side, this will service the last and final boarding call for Frontier Flight 2099 to Las Vegas.
He's pulling me.
Please expedite earlier
Get off me.
meetings
I want to leave. No, bro. No, you're not. Look. Right here. What's your shit, bro? Trust me, I know what you are doing. And what you are doing is not okay. Because you already know how he rocks. What did I do? Nothing. Besides tell you you're a bitch ass nigga. Let's do it. Let's go faster. Yep. Slow down. That means you slow down. That means you slow down. And now you're mad. Now you're mad. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. You don't see this shit? Look, bro. He's, oh my God, so I'm getting dragged. I can't, it's one person being dragged. I can't, one person being dragged. What the fuck are you talking about? Hella different.
You're good.
Hella different. And you know you are. And you know you are. Say it to my face or not. Say it to my face or not. I advise you not to be a cop no more. Shut the fuck up. You're a
Jeremy,
he's fine.
Jeremy,
this cop,
P12, Corporal,
this cop
P12.
right here, this cop to my side, him, fine.
Jeremy,
him,
you're not being very nice.
him not, neither is he. I can't be nice if he's not being nice. I'm looking at you in your face.
I don't really care.
I don't either. You're,
Oh, man. Over. Game's over, man. Party's over.
yep. Only one cop. This guy. Only this guy.
You right, Ness? Whatever it is.
Only this guy.
Yeah, it doesn't matter to me.
Yep, grab my arm as hard as you want to. You ain't hurt me at all. You ain't hurt me at all. He does. He does. You.
Let's go, Jeremy. This way.
Yeah, I'm still looking at you. You're a bitch, nigga. Bro, fuck. Relax. Bro. I can hang my legs up.
On the other side. Other side.
Other side? Where am I going?
Grab that door over there, Vic.
Pushed multiple
Vic,
times.
grab this door.
Stop.
This one right here.
Stop.
Grab this one.
We gotta search him real good.
Yep.
Search me all the way, please. Am I going in?
Sit in the car. Sit in the car.
For what?
Watch your head.
For what?
Watch your head.
For what?
Watch your head, man. You're gonna hurt yourself. You're gonna hurt yourself. Sit in the car. You're under arrest. That's why.
I know, but for what? You take me out
For
of
trespassing.
The officers receive a B+ professional, composed and legally sound throughout. Their only deduction was a brief moment of overlapping grip during the escort, a minor tactical issue, not a legal or ethical violation. Jeremy receives a D. He was not unlawfully stopped, unlawfully denied boarding, or subjected to excessive force. A gate agent, a maintenance worker, and multiple passengers all contradicted his claim that he did nothing wrong. The lesson is clear. Consuming alcohol before a flight does not just risk your health, it risks your freedom, your record, and your right to fly. Every charge Jeremy faced was a direct consequence of choices within his control. Airports are federal security zones. Disruptive behavior here carries heavier legal exposure than nearly anywhere else. What might end in a warning on a public street ended in handcuffs, 2 criminal charges, and a lifetime airline ban. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.